I'll show you how to find your recently viewed videos on YouTube. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. While you're on YouTube, point your mouse to this button here that has the profile icon. Then from this screen that appears, scroll up and click on history. Now you'll be redirected to your history page, and there you can find all the videos you've viewed recently, including the shorts. These are the shorts I've viewed recently. You can click on this arrow to view more shorts that you've viewed, and then you can scroll down to look at the long form videos that you've viewed recently as well. And there's a filter here. If you just want to see all the long form videos you've viewed, you can click on this, and then you have all the long form videos here. You can also click on shorts if you want to see all the shorts you've watched. You can also search your history if you want. If there's a video you want to search, you have in mind, you can just search it up here and you'll find the video you're looking for.